How to change the Wi-Fi name and password. First of all, go to the settings. Then, click on Wi-Fi. And here go to the settings of the Wi-Fi network for which you want to change the password. Then, scroll down. Now, copy the IP address that is written next to gateway. Then, go to your phone home screen and open the Chrome browser. Then, go to the search bar and paste the IP address that you copied. After that, this page will open. I zoom in on it. Here you need to log into your account. Enter the username and password that are written on the back of your Wi-Fi router. If you have changed the password, enter your updated password to log in. Now I'll log into my account. Then, I zoom in on this page and go to the advanced settings. Then go to the WLAN section. Next, choose the network name that you want to change. Then move this page to the left side. Next, scroll down the page. Here, if you want to change the network name, you can enter any name you like. If you want to change the password, you can enter any new password in this box. After that, click on Apply and your Wi-Fi name and password will be updated. This way you can change your Wi-Fi name and password. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech content.